This is my drawing of Iron Man, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin in the center page with the inside edge of the brow. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw a straight angle line coming up and in, and we'll line this up on the right. Now over on the left side, we're going to angle the eyelid going up and then out towards the end. Let's line this up on the right. Now I want to tuck two circles underneath the eyelid for the eyes. Starting on the left side, we're going to step in, draw that circle going all the way around towards the bottom. And I just want to pull that up towards that bottom point. Now underneath the eyes, we're going to draw that bevel that comes down towards the chin. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to bend this in and come all the way down towards the chin. And line that up on the right. Coming in and then down. Let's flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back to the side. Angle this up and around the eyes towards the top. And we'll angle this in, going up above the eyes. Let's draw another angle going up and then out. Now I want to curve this up and then in on the top to right about there. Do the exact same thing on the right. And it'll come down and in so it gets narrower as it comes down across the forehead. And it'll flatten off the bottom with a straight line. From these 2 points, step down and add another curve. From that bottom line, let's step up, draw another line going across. Step up again, draw another line going across the mouth. Now we're going to go back to the bottom corner of the chin. Let's angle the head, going across in a straight line towards the side to right about there. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to go all the way around the head towards the top. So go up with an angled line. Just going to round up the head, going across the top and towards the middle. Work our way across and then down the right side. Just going to angle this down and in towards the jaw. Let's add a bevel across the bottom, starting from the cheek, then it's in and then down. Now from the corners of the mouth, let's angle this down towards the bottom. And then from this edge, add another line. Let's go to the side of the head, going out and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the chin on the left side, bend the body going out and then down toward the hip. Do the same thing on the right, coming down toward the same height. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. In the center of the body, across the top, add a circle. And we'll trace that circle along the inside. Let's go to the side of the body. Angle this down and in. And then pull that straight down towards the bottom. Now from these 2 points, step down, come down towards the middle, and then back up. From the center of the body, we're going to step down, draw a short line going across, and then on the ends, we're going to bend the legs, going out and then down towards the left and right heel. Let's round up the bottom of the feet, starting with the left side, curve this down and then back up. Now let's go back over towards the left side, curve the foot, going all the way up towards the top, bend that down towards the heel. And then I'm going to go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg. I'm going to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back to the inside corner of the legs, bend this up and then out towards the side of the hips. For the top of the foot, let's step up, add a curve, coming down and up, and then line it up on the right side. Now we want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across from toe to heel, and then on the right from heel to toe. From the outside of this line, step up, draw a straight angle line coming down and in, and then bend that down towards the cuff. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. From the top of the body, step up, bend this down, and then out towards the wrists. From the wrist, we're going to point the thumbs going up. We're going to go up, around at the thumb, and then come back down. Let's add 3 fingers pointing up. From the base of the thumb, we're going to go up with an angled line, round out the finger, and then bend that back in. Let's add the second finger going out, around, and then in. And then the last finger to go straight out, come around, and then in towards the palm. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Draw that first finger, second finger, and then the third. Now from the finger, we're going to curve the palm, coming down around the wrist and then up, step down, bend the bottom of the arm coming in towards the body. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then in the center of the palms, draw a circle. And then from the wrist, we're going to step over at the edge of the glove with a curve on both sides. And then from the side of the body, add a seam going up across the shoulders. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Iron Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.